Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you've fallen on this video, like, comment, subscribe to your girl. I'm trying to grow up in here, so it would be very much appreciated. Yeah, but let's get to it. Today I thought I would do like a quick transformation. So it's been like 8 weeks in quarantine and I really haven't been doing like a glow or like a, you know, makeup do or really getting dressed much because obviously I've been home. So I've been really into like loungewear. Just been a good time to like give my skin a break, figure out like my skincare routine and stuff. And I think my skin is doing really good right now, at least in my opinion, from what I've experienced so far. So I'm really happy. So I've only been doing, I did like a beat like twice in these 8 weeks, so I'm a little rusty. I'm not great anymore. And yeah, I just thought why not get ready. Here in the region I am in France, which is also close to Switzerland, we're deconfining on the 11th, well, progressively of course. So I thought, you know, let me not feel like short-sighted when I do actually have to like really feel done or want to get done when I can. So let me get some practice in, you know, sort of get used to it again, feel cute, feel different. I mean, I'm a bad bee always, right? But I just thought, you know, just to feel different, feel a little spiced up, wouldn't hurt. I personally, I think I'm good at like subtle makeup. I would love to be like the eyeshadow girl and all of that, but I'm honestly still learning. Also, if I look this side, it's because my mirror to get ready and my monitor is this side, so it's way easier to figure out what the hell I'm doing. I can't believe I forgot about this. Can we have a moment for these jumbo braids, box braids? I did it all by myself. My good sis Giona is like incredible with her hands. Like, I admire her so much, and she's always done her own hair, or she used to do my own cornrows and stuff. And I'm not there yet fully with cornrows, but I decided to give it a try with pre-stretched hair, and I really wished I had filmed this, but I was so nervous. I was like, if I fuck it up and if it's not great, like I'm gonna be so upset with myself. So I just wanted to be just in my zone and figure out what the hell I'm doing. But I'm thinking of doing a second do again. So if anyone wants me to film, like if it's like a soothing video to watch or see like a real sis trying to do it, like I literally had never braided my own hair. I always had like family around, people in my family, friends do it for me. So it was always a thing of like, you always sort of relied on others, or, you know, it's like a very communal thing. Like, oh, there's always an auntie, there's always a cousin, there's always a friend, whatever, who can do it for you. But I think this was really fun to like learn, and it isn't so hard. So I'm proud of myself. Just having a little coffee. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I use this Nyx eyebrow pencil. A good friend of mine, Mongo, showed it to me, and I've never looked back, honestly. It's, what color? It's in color black. So I start usually with my eyebrows. I don't know, it's just easier for me. So I was thinking also, I'm obviously bilingual. French is actually my first mother tongue, and then English is, but I don't know why I have such like a struggle to like talk in French like that in front of a camera. I don't know why, I just feel so self-conscious. I think it's maybe because these past like 6-7 years, like my education and career route has all been like mainly in French, I mean in English. So I feel like I can't speak French anymore, and I think there's a thing about being French. Like, anyone who's French, please comment down below if it's the same thing, but it's like when you grew up, it was like la langue française and everything is such like a big deal, how you speak, your expression and all of that, and it's such a French thing to like catch each other on like mistakes or whatever. I don't know, I just grew up in that culture, and now I just feel like super self-conscious because obviously I will make mistakes sometimes. Like, I think like as a bilingual person, first of all, you're at an advantage because you speak multiple languages, so that's already amazing. But there's obviously also that thing of like, yeah, sometimes you mess up a word or two, and that's okay. It's good to be corrected, but I just think like there's a way to do it, you know, and like French people are very aggressive about it, so yeah. Anyway, long story short, I really want to make this channel like a sort of bilingual channel. I think there's like benefits to it. I think there aren't many, like, there's like a really small community of like Black girls who are also speaking in French, and I think it's a good idea. I always wanted to do it, but Zoe, a friend of mine, was like, girl, you should do it, and I just feel so self-conscious. But maybe in this video, you know, I'll insert a few of my bilingual traits and speak Fringlish, as anyone would know, and see how I feel. I feel like I just have to warm myself up to the idea. I'm gonna put some Fix Plus just to get my skin ready for whatever I'm gonna put. I'm going back to my eyebrows and using the Glossy eyebrow tint. It's called Boy Brow in black, yeah.
Talking to me, now I'm talking sweet over myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
D'ailleurs, la plupart... Ouh, girl speaking French! D'ailleurs, la plupart des produits que je vais utiliser, la plupart peuvent être trouvés en France et en Suisse, ce qui est bien. Donc c'est horrible, mais Glossy, je suis pas sûre encore si c'est disponible ici en France ou en Suisse. Si quelqu'un le sait, s'il vous plaît, partagez les infos parce que je suis pas très sûre. Moi, j'ai eu ça aux États-Unis, à New York. Mais sinon, tout le reste que j'utilise, normalement, ça peut être trouvé chez Sephora, en France et en Suisse. Donc, c'est pas un tutoriel qui est vraiment dur à faire. Oh my god, I feel like people are gonna judge me. Oh my god. I'm gonna first correct a little bit of my dark spots. I use this MAC one. It's really good, and I use this orange one. And for everything that's corrected, I basically put that orange in all my dark spots here. So in this tutorial, because my skin is doing well, I just don't really feel like adding a coat of foundation if I don't need to. So I'm mainly just gonna use concealer for my face. Anyways, concealer is basically foundation, so let's talk about it. It really is the same thing. Now I'm using them. LA girl. It's been 18 minutes! Ah! How do I do this? Okay. Let me just put on music and get to business. I'll obviously do cutaways of what I'm using.
Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet over myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
When you conceal, even if I don't usually do that, but because my eyebrows have grown a little bit, I'm gonna put a very minimal concealer because, again, I don't like to have it too defined, but just to clean up a little bit rather than define it. Contour stick in espresso, Fenty. secret to like blended natural like makeup, any makeup really, is blending.
I'ma make up my you. I'ma need that I go
also, I don't fully conceal my dark spots. Sometimes when I just want quick, dewy makeup, I just don't really mind. It's part of the process, you know? So yeah, I add some lip gloss. I don't know if this got caught on camera. I add some lip gloss, usually transparent or sheer, just to enhance whatever shadow I have under. I love that look. I think it just makes you so glowy. And I maybe use a brush to just clean it up a bit. Okay. Now I'm just gonna set the powder that was baking. Go everywhere that it was. You can obviously go way faster than I am. It's just I have time, but this sort of makeup do is really quick if like you're in a rush. A little bit. And just dab that. I'm not really gonna bake that. Just dab it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty, one of her powders in Mocha Mami. I love this one. Just to give me a more bronze look and like add to the contour I made. The slight contour, nothing too crazy. Go like this. This color is so pretty. So I don't have the chestnut anymore, but the closest thing I found, the chestnut from MAC, the lip liner. But this lipstick from Fenty Beauty, I can't remember the color. It's not written here. But anyway, it's this brown shade here. And honestly, it's the closest thing I found to chestnut. So I basically just take like this sort of pencil and line my lips that way. Since I don't have a liner, it really does the job. It's very strong, as you can see, so just try. Okay, don't be scared. It's gonna get better. Kind of lip. The lipstick will help. Oh, lip gloss rather. It really looks like chestnut. It's crazy. Do you see what I'm saying? My favorite Pat McGrath lip gloss in Flesh 4. Beautiful, but you can see how I've used this thing. It's basically done. I'm literally scraping the ends of it. And it just blends so well with this lip liner look. Okay, and then the last step is mascara. I hate mascara. Oh, by the way, so I thought something was off. I usually like to give a little like highlight to my face, and I usually use the NARS in Amande, but I forgot today. I think I was caught up with trying to make this video not too long, and I've already set my face, so I'm not gonna do that today. But I mean, without it, it's fine. It's very like just subtle, but I like to give a little highlight usually. So I'm using this Smashbox full exposure mascara. My mom bought it when we were in Dubai, in the Sephora there, and she doesn't really use mascara. Well, neither do I really, but when I don't feel like putting on falsies or whatever, and pollen allergies will let me be great, I use mascara sometimes. But I could literally count on my fingers how many times I use it, so. Setting with my Fix Plus MAC Old Trusty. Now I'm just gonna take off this scarf while I was setting my edges. Let's see if my forehead doesn't look crazy right now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer. Just to the parts. There you go. This is my look, y'all. Maybe we can do something with my hair. Oh, my hair is so cute. Maybe something like this. Does this look crazy? I don't know. That's my really easy looking makeup. Obviously I took a little bit more time blending and everything, but I've really done this look in like 10 to 12 minutes usually sometimes. So it's really easy to do. The makeup I use also is not too crazy expensive, and it's sort of easy to find. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's a simple makeup do. Again, I'm not a makeup person, but I know how to try and beat my face at least, and I think that's what matters. Sorry, I'm distracted by my hair. But voila, hope you enjoyed the video. Speak to you soon. Bye.